Hello and welcome. In the last video, now one marks question solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. Today we will start with the 2 marks questions. It is SSLC Preparatory exam 2024 paper. Okay. The first question here is we have to find the roots of quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Okay, it's a straightforward question. We have to use quadratic formula and find the roots of the equation. That is, 2 roots are there. First step, here we find the a value, coefficients here. A is 3, b is minus 6, right? B is minus 6 and c is 2. C is 2. First we find determinant of the equation, that is b square minus 4ac here. Let us find b square minus 4ac here. B square minus 4ac is equal to minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4 into 3 into 2, right? Is equal to 6 square is minus 6 whole square is 36 plus 36 only. 36 minus 4 3 is a 12, 12 2 is a 24. Therefore is equal to 12. Since it is greater than 0, therefore we have two solutions for this and they are distinct also. Let us find the two roots here using the quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? This is a quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Let us substitute all the values here. Now x is equal to minus of minus 6. Minus of minus 6 is plus 6. Okay, plus or minus. I know b square minus 4ac here. See here, 12 can be written as 4 into 3 also, right? Therefore, root of b square minus 4ac is root of 4 into 3, right? Divided by 2 into a is 3 here, is equal to minus of minus 6 is plus 6, plus or minus root of 12, the 4 comes out of the root, will become 2 root 3, right? Divided by 6. Okay, you can take 2 common out here, otherwise you can ignore that. There's no issues here. Therefore, x is equal to 6 plus 2 root 3. We'll take 1 plus here, whole divided by 6. Or x is equal to, you can take 2 common out on this x here, but otherwise you can do directly also. X is equal to 6 minus 2 root 3 divided by 6. We once take plus here and we once take minus here. Therefore, these are the two roots of the quadratic equation, right? These are the two roots of the quadratic equation. A very easy question. You can take 2 out here since it is 2 common here in this question. But since it is a 2 marks question, ignore it. Okay, don't go in too much in detail of the question. Take all these things, all these extra steps if you get extra time in the exam. Otherwise, don't unnecessarily solve extra steps which are not necessary, right? Yes. Next question. Solve the pair of linear equations by elimination method. They specifically mention elimination method here. Again, a very easy question. See here. Don't multiply by 4 here. Okay, directly we know it. We can solve it. We can eliminate. Instead of eliminating x, I eliminate y here. Okay, I eliminate y here. It's a very easy question, right? If I try to eliminate x, I have to multiply second equation by 4 here. I have to multiply the second equation by 4 here. It is completely unnecessary. We can directly eliminate y here, that is plus, the sign will change here, plus x become minus x, plus y become minus y, and plus 6 becomes minus 6, right? See here, again I am telling you, you can eliminate x also, you can eliminate y also. If you want to eliminate x, we have to multiply second equation by 4. Again, it will complicate the equations here, therefore don't do unnecessary steps. Now, plus y and minus y is cancelled, 4x minus x is 3x, 15 minus 6 is 9. Therefore, x is equal to 9 by 3. X is equal to 9 by 3, right? Therefore, x is equal to 3. Okay? X is equal to 3. Now, I know x plus y is equal to 6. Therefore, 3 plus y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 minus 3. Y is equal to 3. Right? Also, you can verify here. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 3s are 12 plus 3 is 15. A very simple equation. Also, just you can take few seconds to verify the answers here. It will help you and you get confidence in the exam. Okay. Next question. Next question. Find the sum of first 20 terms of an AP. First 20 terms of AP, right? We have to find the sum here. That is, in this AP, A is equal to 4. First write all the given things here. A is equal to 4 and D is equal to 9 minus 5. 9 minus 4 is 5, right? D is 5 and we have to find sum of first 20 terms, right? Therefore, I'll take N is equal to 20. I'll take N is equal to 20, right? N is equal to 20. Therefore, we have to find S20 here. We know the formula N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. S20 is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. We substitute N is equal to 20, substitute all the values here, and 2 into A is 4 here, plus N minus 1, 20 minus 1, D is 5 here, right? 20 by 2 is 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, plus 20 minus 1 is 19, 19 5s are 95, 19 5s are 95 is equal to 10 into 95 plus 8 is 103, therefore 1030. Sum of first 20 terms is 1030, a very easy question. There is a OR option for this also. You can I will solve both the OR option also. Okay. Again, it's a very easy question. Just be careful with the common difference here. Sometimes students will do 4 minus 9 rather than 9 minus 4. Okay. Now, next question is find the sum of first positive integers divisible by 6. First positive integers, first 40 positive integers. Therefore, the AP can be formed as 6. The first multiple of 6 is 6. The second multiple is 12, 18, so on, right? Okay, 18, so on. You can take 40th term as what? 40 into 6 is 240, right? Therefore, I know last term the sum becomes very easier. 46 is 240. Therefore, here N is A is equal to 6. Common difference is equal to 12 minus 6 is 6. And last term L is equal to 240. And last term is L is equal to 240. And N is equal to 40 here, right? Because we have to find sum of first positive integers. See here, since you can use Sn is equal to 2A formula, or you can use this formula also, N by 2 A plus L. Here common difference is not required, or you can use N by 2 2A plus N minus 1 to D, but this is much simple if I know the last term, right? Okay, therefore N is 40 here, A is 6 and last term is 240, right? 40 by 2 is 20, 40 by 2 is 20 and 240 plus 6 is 246, right? Now 246 2s are 592, 246 2s are 592, rather 492, right? Rather 492, 246 2s are 492, one extra 0 here, therefore sum is 4920, right? 4920. A very easy solution, very easy problem, right? A very easy problem. Okay. If you take last sum as 240, the equation becomes very simple to solve it. Okay. Next question. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points. Okay. We assume x1 and y1 here. The ratio is directly given and 2 points are given. We can directly substitute the formula and find the answer here. Okay, and we assume this as x2 and y2. We assume this as x2 and y2. The ratio is 2:3. Therefore, we will take m1 as 2 and m2 as 3. Right? Right? Okay. Now the formula is x is equal to m1 plus m2 divided by m1 plus m2. I'll multiply x2 here, I'll multiply x1 here, right? A very simple formula. Now x2 is minus 4, m1 is 2 plus x1 is 1 and m2 is 3 divided by m1 plus m2 is 1, 2 plus 3, right? 2 plus 3. Now minus 4 into 2. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 1 into 3. Minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5. Minus 5 by 5 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x coordinate is minus 1, right? Very easy question. No. Next step, we have to find y here. Y is equal to y2 into m1. Wherever x is here, replace with y here again. Plus y1 into m2 divided by m1 plus m2, right? Now we know y1, y2 is minus 4. Y2 is minus 4 into m1. Into m1 is 2 plus this term becomes 0 since y1 is sorry, there is a mistake here. Y2 is 0. Y2 is 0, right? Therefore, this term becomes 0. 0 plus y1 is 5. Y1 is 5 here. 5 into m2 is 3. Whole divided by, I know, 2 plus 3. m1 plus m2 is 5 here. Now 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15 by 5 is equal to plus 3. Therefore, the coordinate x comma y is minus 1 comma 3. Minus 1 comma 3. Again, a very easy question. Just apply the formula and substitute the values. You will get the answer. But don't make mistake while solving the problems here. Okay, remember this. y2 is 0. Therefore, directly I substituted 0 here. Hope you got clear picture here. Okay. Okay. Next question. It's a probability based question. Given P of A is 3 by 4, we have to show that P of A bar, that is P of A bar is not equal to 1 by 2. P of A bar is not equal to, that is complementary event. P of A is 3 by 4, complementary of P of A is not equal to 1 by 2, right? We have to prove it. Now we know the formula, probability of A plus its complementary event, probability of A dash is equal to 1. Is equal to 1, right? Now P of A is equal to 3 by 4 plus P of A bar is equal to, I don't know, right now assume it, I don't know. Okay. Therefore, we can say P of A bar is 1 minus 3 by 4. Now 1 minus 3 by 4 is, we know 1 minus 3 by 4 is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Therefore, P of A bar is, probability of complementary event is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Therefore, we can say P of complementary event A is not equal to 1 by 2, since it is equal to 1 by 4, right? Since it is equal to 1 by 4. Clear? A very easy problem again, 2 marks question. This formula is very important, remember. This formula is very important while solving this problem. Okay. Next question. It's based on construction. See here. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 3.5. See here, again this is a question, 2 marks question, right? First we have to draw a circle of 3.5 radius. Remember, very important point, the angle between tangents is 70 degree. The angle between tangents is 70 degree here. Okay, this is the angle between tangents here. Okay, remember, if the angle between tangents is 70 degree, we know QPR, this angle, plus QOR is equal to 180 degree, right? They are supplementary angles because angle Q and angle R is equal to 90 degree, right? Therefore, angle QOR is equal to 180 minus QPR is 70 is equal to 110 degree, right? Is equal to 110 degree. Therefore, we have to draw a radius OQ and we have to draw another radius OR with 110 degree. Use protractor here. We cannot, it is not possible with compass. 110 degree is not possible with compass and it is very complicated to draw 110 degree. Use protractor because it's a 2 marks question. Don't worry about using compass here. You can use protractor to solve this question. Okay. Don't worry about solving with compass here because 110 degree is not possible. It's possible but it's not easy to draw it. Therefore, use protractor. Ultimately, draw two tangents, that is PQ and PR. PQ and PR are required tangents, right? The angle should be 70 degree here, and therefore we have to take 110 degree, that is angle O is equal to 110 degree. Required tangents, right? PQ and PR are the required tangents. Hope it's a very easy question, but very important point is we have to take QOR angle as 110 degree, not 70 degree. Many students will make mistake. They take QOR as 70 degree, then they will make mistake here. It's a very easy question, 2 marks question. Just first step is draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter and draw OQ and OR with 110 degree. Okay. Then we draw two perpendiculars, that is PQ and PR. You will get the required tangents. Okay. You get the required tangents. Very easy question. Very easy question, right? Okay. Next, find the value of cos 45 degree into sin 45 degree. It has two options here. First, we see it is always better to solve the proof problems because we'll get 2 marks confirmed. Okay. Anyway, we'll solve this question. Find the value of cos 45 into sin 45 divided by sin 30 minus cos 60 degree, right? Okay. Cos 45 you know already, it is 1 by root 2 into sin 45 again we know it is 1 by root, right? Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 again because sin and cos 45 are same values. And second 30 we know, second 30 is, since cos 30 is root 3 by 2, therefore second 30 is 2 by root 3. It is 2 by root 3 minus cot 60. Cot 60 is, tan 60 is root 3 and cot 60 should be 1 by root 3, right? It's 1 by root 3, right? Here 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Therefore it is 1 by 2 folded by, the LCM here is root 3 and root 3, LCM is root 3 only, and 2 minus 1 it is 2 minus 1. Since the denominator is same, you can directly write 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 folded by 1 by root 3, right? Is equal to 1 by 2 into root 3 by 1 into, say 1 by root 3 will become root 3 by 1 when it goes to numerator, right? Therefore the solution is root 3 by 2. The solution is root 3 by 2, right? A very easy question. Just substitute the values and find the answer. Okay. We should remember the angles already. Okay. So instead of doing that, you can solve this proof question also. It's very easy, right? Prove that cos A by 1 by sin A, 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A is equal to 2 secant A, right? Again a very easy question. We take LHS here. Now the LCM is out here. Just multiply LCM. 1 plus sin A into cos A, right? 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now here cos A is missing, therefore I will multiply with cos A here. Here sin A, 1 plus sin A is missing, I will multiply with 1 plus sin A here. Now I know cos A into cos A is what? Cos square A, right? Cos A into cos A is cos square A, and 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A is 1 plus sin A whole square, right? 1 plus sin A whole square, right? Now here cos square A, now A plus B whole square, 1 plus sin A whole square is plus 1 square A square plus B square plus 2AB, right? Plus 2AB means 2 into 1 into sin A, right? Here we assume A as 1 here and B as sin A, right? A plus B whole square is 1 square plus sin square plus 2 sin A, right? Whole divided by, say don't multiply this denominator, I'll tell you why. Don't multiply this denominator soon. 1 plus sin A into cos A, right? A very simple trigonometric identity. Now we know cos square plus sin square. We know cos square plus sin square. Cos square plus sin square is 1. Cos square plus sin square is 1. plus 1 square is 1 plus 2 sin a, right? We know cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1, right? We know sin square a plus cos square a. First identity in trigonometric identities, we know we have 3 identities. Cos square a plus sin square a is 1 and 1 square is 1. 2 into 1 into sin a is 2 sin a, whole divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a, right? 1 plus sin a into cos a, right? A very easy question. Now it is 2 plus 2 sin a whole divided by 1 plus 1 is 2 here, 1 plus sin a into cos a. Now I will take 2 common out here, 2 common out, 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2 into 1 is sin a. 1 plus sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a, right? 1 plus sin a into cos a. Now 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a is cancelled. I'll get 2 by cos a, right? I'll get 2 by cos a. Now is 1 by cos a is 2 into 1 by cos a, right? No, we know 1 by cos a is secant a. 1 by cos a is secant a. Therefore it is 2 secant a, right? Therefore it is 2 secant a. Whether we got RHS here? Definitely yes. We got RHS here. Therefore 2 secant a is equal to RHS. A very easy question. Okay. You will get confirmed answer here. Usually in the exam, if it is a or choice, you always prefer proof questions, okay, because the questions, the marks are in your pocket, right? Okay. But anyway, the above question is much simple. You can solve that question also. Hope you understood all these 2 marks question. They are very easy based on AP and coordinate geometry, etc. Okay. Maybe this probability question might be tricky for some people. See here, we know P of A is 3 by 4. The complementary event should be P of A dash is equal to 1 by 4, right? Therefore, P of A dash is not equal to 1 by 2. Hope you understood this. If any doubt, send me the mail, okay? And next video I will solve 3 marks question, okay? Thank you. Bye bye.